Do you want a thick and hearty, stick to your ribs soup? Yes, you do. Today we are making potato soup with a kick. So hang around, you're gonna love it. Today we're doing potato soup in a crock pot, and we're gonna bring in a couple secret ingredients. So first, we're gonna go into the crock pot with a bag of hash browns. It doesn't matter what shape they're in, just get some hash browns in there. They're gonna stay in this crock pot for about 3 or 4 hours. 2 cups of chicken broth. And cream of mushroom soup. Get all that goodness in there. We're going to add a packet of ranch seasoning. We'll give all this a stir in a minute. And later on, after it's all really good and simmered together, we're going to add a block of cream cheese. But what about the secret ingredient? We're going to kick it up a notch. We're going to add a can of chicken breasts. You can use fresh cooked chicken breasts if you want, but today I got a good can. And one last thing, we're gonna add a can of corn. So it's really gonna be like a chicken corn chowder potato soup. 10x on the potato soup. So we're gonna let this cook down for about 4 hours, come back, take a look at it, and add the cream cheese at the end. Hang on, you're gonna love this. Hey folks, we're back in the kitchen, but with a change of plans. Rather than the crock pot, we had to go to the stovetop because the power went out. It takes a lot longer in the crock pot, so you gotta watch it closely and stir it more often. But it is ready to go. I'm gonna plate this up and enjoy it. It is gonna be amazing, and I hope you give it a try. We're going in for the final bite, and this is gonna be amazing. Hey, and this was recommended by one of our subscribers. You asked for a hot, thick, and hearty soup, and now we've got a few more we can make after this, but I want you to try it. Let me know how you like it, and change it up. Use what you have. Maybe you don't use cream of mushroom soup. Maybe you use cream of celery or cream of chicken. I cook like Bob Ross paints. Hey, just put a happy little tree right there and change it up. Change up the ingredients. It's all good. You gotta try this one. Smash that subscribe button and let us know what you want to see next. Thanks for your comments.